Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RSHN. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Did this analysis relatively recently. I can't remember exactly when that was, but point being, that is where this green line annotation is coming from, and that's going to factor into the analysis today. But the first level that really needs to be pointed out, and if you have even a basic understanding of charts, I'm sure you've already taken notice of this, but that is that pink line right there, which is the very famous 200 period moving average. Like I said, even if you have a surface deep understanding of charts, I'm sure you've heard of the 200 period, and you know that when the price is up above that level, you ideally want to see the price stay above it, assuming, of course, you're bullish. And to be fully fair, so far so good. You want to see the price stay above there, and although the price got down around there several times today, the bulls held strong. So that's a nice sign of strength that level that you would want to see act as support did indeed act as support. Now, in the event the price cannot continue to hold above that area, the next level of support to keep an eye on at that point would be this green line from a previous time I did the video, and that is valued at 0026. But again, to be fair, maybe I'm getting way too far ahead of myself talking about 0026 when the 200 period has been holding as support. But in the event that doesn't hold, that would be the next level to keep an eye on. So as far as supports are concerned, again, near-term level, that 200 period simple moving average right there at 0028. If that doesn't hold, next level of support at 0026. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, in the shorter term, you have some sellers right there at 0031. If the price can push up through the 0031 hurdle, the next overarching level would be that purple line right there, which is the famous 50 period simple moving average. So really no point though at this point though in talking any further about the 50 period, because as it stands right now, the bulls have to first prove themselves in the short run. What do I mean by prove themselves? Well, again, I am quantifying prove themselves as getting up above 0031 and staying up above it. So we'll see what happens with it. But tomorrow I guess is Friday. So yeah, let's see how this one closes out the week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.